But just know that worldliness loves worldliness. Let's picture two radios, and one radio is fine-tuned to the frequency. I know we live in a day of internet radio where it's easy to listen to what you want. But, Carter, there used to be something called a radio. And you would tune it to what you wanted to listen to. I know, Father. And the other frequency is God's Spirit. The false teacher broadcasts on the world's wavelength. They play the music that the world enjoys. It's the talk of self-exaltation. It's the talk of materialism and whatever feels good. Meanwhile, God's broadcast is his